Hello everyone, it's Eric here. Today I have the chance to introduce one of the most cost-effective electricity table, the model YA-10EB. Actually, this model is an upgraded and optimized model based on previous design. Now let me show you the details. The platform of this table total has 6 sections: head section, back section, kidney section, seat board, and 2 leg parts. All the parts with translucent HPL board. It can be used for C-arm and X-ray using. Now let me show you the function of each section. This is head section. It can be adjusted down 19 degrees up to 45 degrees. But it is adjusted by mechanical. The backboard can be adjusted upward to 75 degrees. It can be down to 13 degrees. The tilting function to left and right side, max 20 degrees. The Trendelenburg position and reverse Trendelenburg position of this table can be adjusted to max 25 degrees. The leg part can be adjusted by pneumatic and mechanical. The part can be adjusted upward to max 15 degrees. Downwards 19 degrees. The leg part can be outward, also 90 degrees. The height range of the table can be adjusted to max 1010 mm. Minimum height level 710 mm. Each section with detachable mattress. Let me show you. It is detachable design. The mattress is made of foam and washable PU cover. Hospital can clean the table easily after the daily surgery. The table is equipped with #1 China brand motor control system. It is a well-known brand used in different medical fields like the hospital bed, electric surgical table. We offer 2 years warranty for the motor control system. This is a remote handset. As you can see, it has different clear buttons. The doctor can adjust the table to different positions via this button easily. Different positions can be used for different surgery. Meanwhile, there is better backup inside. The table can be continued to adjust it at least 200 movements when the power failure. The table has extra loading weight capacity at least 250 kg due to the heavy loading actuator and powerful structure inside the lifting part. Meanwhile, all the accessories in the video, as you can see, like the anesthesia screen, IV pole, shoulder support, body support, leg support, and the foot support. Also the railing, this part, and the railing fixer, also the joint, the lifting cover, the base cover, and here. All of the metal parts are made of stainless steel grade 304. There are 4 wheels on the base cover. Let me show you. This is the foot pedal locking. Then we can move the table easily. Now it is locked. It is very hard to move it. There is emergency stop button in the base. Doctor can stop any electric movement if any wrong operation during the surgery. Let me show you. Now the table is upward. If it is wrong operation, doctor can. Now even you press the button, the table stop working. Now if we evolve it, it can continue to upward. Stop. Compared with other advanced models, this table doesn't have extra function like memory function, zero function, one button V position, but it is the most cost-effective model just only because it contains all the necessary basic function. So if you have any other questions, feel free to contact with us. Thanks for watching.